Okay, gonna get some carbon fiber laid out on this shifter knob of mine. It's gonna be a little tedious cutting around the GTO. I've done it before. As you can see right there, I got a little bit of wood grain sticker on it. So I've done it before. Had to do it like 2 or 3 times before I finally got it good, but I'm gonna give it a go. Stay tuned to see how it comes out. Okay, so here it is. Came out pretty good. Let's get it put on and see. There we go. GTO. All right, just waiting for my steering wheel to come in.